Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo hears a soft sound coming from the bushes. The leaves move gently, but nothing can be seen clearly. Timo stops and watches carefully. An important word becomes useful. Observe. Observe means to watch or notice something carefully. Timo leans in carefully and looks closely at the bushes. He stays quiet and pays attention to every movement. Soon, he sees a small turtle slowly coming out. Timo understands what made the sound. Timo remembers that when he observes, he watches carefully. He learns that paying attention helps him discover new things.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.